Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use Android's Bedtime Grayscale to fix your night routine. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap directly on the option labeled Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Under the Ways to Disconnect section, tap on the option labeled Bedtime Mode. Tap on Bedtime Routine to choose your custom schedule, setting your preferred start and end times for sleep. Next, return to the main bedtime mode screen and tap on the option labeled Customize. From the customization list, tap directly on Display or Screen Settings. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Grayscale to slide it completely on. You can also enable the Dim the Wallpaper and enable Dark Mode. When your scheduled sleep window arrives, the system framework will instantly drain all color from the display, making the screen uninviting to kill your midnight dopamine scrolling urges. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.